All right, this is a crepe morning. So today we're bringing the big game. We're using a big one of kind of iconic kitchen equipment, our stand-up mixer. So Chef Marcello, before we even get to that, what we need to do?
We need to put in the milk and 3 eggs.
There we go. Are you ready for that? Would you help? Thank you. There we go. It's always nice to have someone hold the bowl. And that's why working with the second chef is great. Egg number 1, egg number 2, and egg number 3. Our next step is to mix our batter in the mixer. So a couple things we want to make sure that the bowl is well attached to the base, that we're using a paddle attachment, and that the whole top of the mixer is locked before we start. Okay, so I'm gonna get it started, okay? We start slowly. We don't want to just splatter everywhere. And what we're doing right now is making sure that the wet ingredients are very well mixed. So when you have the egg yolks all blended with the milk and everything is a one uniform yellow, that means we're in good place. So would you keep an eye for me, Chef? Beautiful. Okay, so the next step is we are going to mix in our batter wee mix, and we have all-purpose sugar and salt in here. A really good idea is to get your flour first in a bowl, okay? And mix up a little bit. So we'll make sure we're mixing the sugar, the salt, and the flour. We're also adding a little air in there, fluffing it up, because as this travels to get to your home, the flour compacts in there. We are not over mixing our batter. We don't want a lot of gluten in there, okay?
Now more?
So you can put the rest. Why don't we change this up? I can take this from you and you will mix. So the last ingredient we have to add there is the melted butter. Yum!
I love watching butter melt. It's actually very soothing to me.
When you're working with a chef in the kitchen, you get to find out the most extraordinary things about them. Okay, I think this is good for us to set it aside. And then we're gonna be ready to start making our crepes.
Okay.
Okay.